Taina Suonio, second time here to ask you, how does it feel that you have a garden in the Chelsea Flower Show?
Thank you, Mari, asking how I feel. I have to be honest and say I feel very good. I have very good sponsors, very good team, and I'm quite lucky on that sense that how the people have reacted regarding of this design. So obviously I'm nervous, as I think I should be in this stage, but I feel good.
So the Finnish Soul Garden is the theme of your garden this year. What does it represent?
Oh, the story behind of this garden is telling actually about us Finns and our relationship to nature and water. Baltic Sea is here the big actor, and then obviously sauna. And the freedom what we have here in Finland, freedom of enjoying a beautiful nature and just how we are able to relax. I'm sure when you go home today, or at least tomorrow, you will have a sauna. I will have at least.
I will, that's true. And so the themes of the year is plant health. Tell me more about that.
Yes, and this year is about the story of the International Year of the Plant Health, which was, the idea came actually from our Minister of Agriculture and Forestry 5 years ago, and that's very unique that something like this has been brought up for through whole Chelsea Flower Show. And linking to that, we have some more restrictions. So this year is the first year actually when even all the plants have to have so-called plant passports. This is new thing, but I really think it's a good thing because we can try avoid spreading pests and diseases and not bringing those to Finland either. And hopefully that way we will realize that having a nature as rich and beautiful as we have is very rare. And we should be very proud of that and try to keep that way too.
Okay. And as a Finnish garden designer, first woman from Nordic countries and the first Finnish designer in Chelsea Flower Show, you are quite in a good place, I think, to tell important subjects, bring them up. So what else you have in your plan this year?
Oh, I love that you are asking that question. In here I have a meadow green roof on the top of the sauna. The one message which I'm telling in this year's design is how you can compost. And I love composting, and I think it is very important that we realize that how easy it is, and everybody can do that. As well, using your native plants, bringing those together with whole idea, using recycled materials, using something what belongs to you or your family or your nature is important. So you feel comfortable when you have something like that around yourself.
That's very interesting. Thank you. Good luck to the show.
Thank you, Mari. Thank you very much.